Hello folks, it's Eric. So I reassembled the HD-DVD player. I'm going to test this out. So I'm going to reinsert my HD-DVD of A Scanner Darkly. Good movie. If you want to see a good movie. This player is fairly slow load times. It was typical of the early generation HD media drives. You have to be really patient. But supposedly this is faster than the very first generation players, which were even slower. Be difficult with kids. There, HD DVD. It says play. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Seems to be working. I'd say it's a success. Well, this makes a very boring video watching this introduction here. And I do have the original remote. Set it right here. It's the original remote that came with the XA2 HD DVD player. So, put batteries in it. Not sure how well this thing works, but we'll give it a shot. Of course, I'll program my Harmony Elite to control it. So, where's the pause button? Yeah, it works. And chapter skip. Pretty happy how that works out. All right, signing off.